Welcome back to Color Vistas. Today, we're exploring the fascinating topic of sublimation on rayon, a fabric loved for its lightweight feel and luxurious drape. While sublimation on rayon isn't as straightforward as on polyester, with the right tools and techniques, you can achieve some truly stunning results. Rayon's silky texture and versatility make it a fantastic choice for creating custom apparel, accessories, or home decor items. In this video, we'll walk through every detail to ensure your sublimation projects on rayon turn out beautifully. Let's get started. Rayon is a semi-synthetic fabric made from cellulose fibers, giving it a smooth, soft finish that feels great to wear. However, it lacks the polyester fibers needed for sublimation ink to bond. Sublimation works by turning ink into gas under heat and pressure, which then binds to the polyester molecules in the fabric. Since rayon doesn't have these polyester molecules, you'll need to adapt your approach to achieve lasting results. One method is using a rayon polyester blend fabric. The higher the polyester content, the better the sublimation transfer will appear. Look for blends with at least 65% polyester, as this ensures your designs will transfer vividly and last through washes. If you're working with 100% rayon, you'll need to add a polyester layer using a sublimation spray or transfer sheet. These products create a polymer coating on the surface, allowing sublimation ink to adhere effectively. Start by gathering all the materials you'll need: your rayon or rayon polyester blend fabric, sublimation ink, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, a heat press, and optional polyester spray if working with pure rayon. Wash and dry your fabric beforehand to remove any manufacturing residues that might interfere with the sublimation process. Next, let's create your design. Bold, simple designs tend to work best on rayon, as the fabric's natural sheen enhances vibrant colors and clean lines. Use design software like Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator to create your artwork. Don't forget to mirror the design before printing it onto sublimation paper. This ensures text and images appear correctly on the final product. Once your design is ready, print it using a sublimation printer with sublimation ink. Set your printer to the highest quality setting for sharp and vibrant results. Allow the print to dry completely before handling it to avoid smudging. While your print dries, prepare your fabric. If you're using a polyester spray, apply it evenly across the area you plan to sublimate. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time to ensure the coating sets properly. Once the spray has dried, you're ready to proceed. Place the sublimation paper face down on the fabric, aligning the design with the area you want to sublimate. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper and prevent it from shifting during pressing. Rayon is sensitive to heat, so you'll need to lower your heat press settings compared to polyester. Set the press to around 350 degrees to 375 degrees and apply light to medium pressure for about 30 to 45 seconds. Keep a close eye on the fabric, as it can scorch or warp if overheated. After pressing, carefully remove the sublimation paper and allow the fabric to cool. If you've used a polyester spray, you should see a bright, vibrant design bonded to the coated area. On rayon polyester blends, the vibrancy will depend on the polyester content, with higher percentages yielding more striking results. Caring for sublimated rayon items is essential for maintaining the design. Always wash these items inside out on a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid bleach or harsh detergents, as they can damage the fabric or the sublimated design. Line drying is recommended to prevent heat damage, which can cause further fading or shrinkage. Sublimation on rayon offers endless creative possibilities. You can create stunning scarves, lightweight clothing, or unique decorative pieces. While it requires more preparation than sublimating on polyester, the end result is well worth the effort. Experimenting with blends, sprays, and different designs allows you to expand your sublimation skills and create truly unique pieces. For those looking to explore more advanced techniques, consider combining sublimation with other methods like vinyl applications or embroidery. Adding these layers can enhance your projects and create one-of-a-kind designs that stand out. Whether you're crafting for personal enjoyment, gifts, or a business, sublimating on Rayon is an exciting way to expand your creativity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sublimation on Rayon. While it takes a bit more effort than working with polyester, the luxurious feel and versatility of Rayon make it an excellent canvas for your sublimation projects. With the right techniques and materials, you can achieve vibrant, professional quality results that last. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and other helpful resources where applicable. Visit my website for more tips and inspiration on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite Rayon sublimation projects in the comments. See you in the next video.